Two new lightweight trail bikes, a rally-inspired version with Honda's own smartphone connectivity, and zero confirmation they're leaving India. Honda just revealed the XR300L and XR300 Rally, alongside a whole batch of updated bikes, and the trail bikes got most of the attention. The real question, though, isn't whether these are good. It's whether Honda even needs to bring them anywhere else. So, starting with the XR300L. It's built as a proper dual-purpose machine, genuine off-road capability, but still usable as a daily commuter. Power comes from a 293.5 cubic centimeter air-cooled single with an oil cooler, and Honda's clearly prioritized keeping it light and easy to handle over chasing big numbers. Long travel suspension, so it should handle green lanes and rough tracks just fine before heading back onto tarmac. Then there's the XR300 Rally. Same foundation, but built for riders planning longer trips. Rally-style bodywork pulled from Honda's Dakar-winning bikes, better wind protection, more touring-focused ergonomics. Indian reports are also pointing to Honda RoadSync connectivity on this one specifically, which, if true, is a genuinely nice touch to separate it from the more stripped-back XR300L. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Honda hasn't confirmed full specs on either bike, but both appear to share their platform and engine with the CB300F, already sold in India, which puts likely output around 25 horsepower. Wire-spoke wheels, 21 up front, 18 out back, switchable dual-channel ABS. Solid, sensible spec for the segment. Here's the part that actually matters for anyone outside India, though. Honda's only confirmed these for the Indian market so far, built locally. No word at all on international availability. And, to be fair, there's a real reason for that hesitation. In the UK, Honda already sells the XR300L for $5,899 and the XR300L Rally for $6,599, both already updated for Euro 5+. Bringing in a cheaper XR300 would mean Honda competing with, well, itself, in an already crowded corner of its own lineup. So, would I want to see these in Europe? Honestly, yeah. But I get why Honda might just leave this one in India. It's not that the bike isn't good. It's that Honda's already covered this exact need with the XR300 line. Sometimes the smartest business move is also the most boring one. Stay fast, stay freaky. This is Moto Freak, signing off. See you on the road!